So what I've got here is a fuse together all kinds of fireworks, and then a big finale right there. Yep, I fused them all together. So this is either going to be really good or really bad. But I fused them all together because I'm a genius. Alright, here we go. Alright, yep, I think so. Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh! Oh!
Come over this way! Look all the bugs inside the house!
Close the door, Justin. You gotta close the door. Woo!
I think it's raining debris right now.
Are you kidding me? That was it. That was crazy.
That was nuts.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think that worked really well.
All right.